C5 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1999 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Just a little over 68,000 is all in this one. 68,616 I believe is on the odometer at the moment. We'll take a look at that in a bit. First of all, let's check out the nose. Torch red exterior, of course, underneath the hood. The tried and true 5.7 liter LS1 engine paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note AC compressor will kick on and off, but it's not blowing cold. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Looks like some Z06 style chrome wheels. As you can see, disc brakes behind there. Actually, disc brakes all four corners, and those are 80%. Front and rear both. Tires are date coded 2022. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint shows well. It's not full of any nicks, dings, scratches, anything major anyway. You may find a little imperfection here or there. I mean, the car's been driven. And it's coming up on, what are we looking at? About 26 years old. Nice condition considering that. Interior bucket seats, of course, center console, and the seats do have a red and ebony seat covers over them. Aftermarket stereo system that is working. And we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at the interior, peek underneath the hood, and at the end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Of course, dual exhaust. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Black cloth top. That is manual, of course. The C5, I'll show you how easy it is to put up and down. One person can do it extremely quickly. If we take a look down this driver's side again, you can see the paint shows well. Appears to be wet. Not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches either on this side. If you like Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Steering wheel cover put on it also. Nice looking two-tone combination. Modern amenities with the memory seats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seat over here on the driver's side, as you can also see. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. It is a Kenwood aftermarket stereo, and that is working. All right, so there's your exact miles. 68,616 with it. There you go. Dash looks good. Crank it up. Selective ride control. Dual electronic climate control. Take a look at the headlights here a second also. Those are working, no grinding of the gears, clicking, anything like that. Power antenna also works, as you can see. Let's listen. Nothing crazy over the top for an exhaust note or anything like that. Sounds like a nice running C5. There it is, LS1 power plant. Good look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner's nice and clean. A little custom touch up there in the corner of the 1999 model year. And here it is. Little vinyl graphics on the hood. Good looking engine bay, nice and clean and tidy. All right, tell you what, let me get the tripod set up. I want to show you how easy it is to fold up this convertible top. And we'll get that latched down, windows rolled up, check out the condition of it. We'll wrap up this walk around and let Jason take it for a drive. And the convertible top up. So very easy to put up the manual top on these. As you can see, one person, less than a minute. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Black cloth top. Rolled up the side window so you can see how that fits also. No rips, tears, holes. The rear window is glass, electric defog. Around to the passenger side, rolled the side glass up there also, so nice tight fit on the glass. And once again, no rips, tears, holes. Nice tight fit above the windshield. No surprises there, and I'll show you how easy it is to fold it back down to. 1999 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, a little over 68,000 actual miles is all. That LS1 power plant automatic with overdrive. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1999 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, looking good in red and black. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Our turn signals are working, our gauges are working, stereo sounds good. That's from Kenwood. Very nice acceleration, as you would expect from a Corvette. The temperature gauge is approximately 185, oil pressure about 50 psi, battery's charging around 14 volts, and the fuel gauge reads a little less than half a tank. This car, with less than 70,000 miles, is barely broken in. We're ready to hit the road. For anybody who loves red Corvette. Seat covers on these seats protecting the seat underneath, matching the red and black steering wheel and the paint job. Very responsive brakes, just as the throttle is. These Corvettes are some of the best performance bang for your buck that you can get. And with 60, almost 67, 68,000 miles, like I'm saying, it's barely broken in. Corner's very flat, as a Corvette should. Easy to steer, comfortable bucket seats. What more can you ask for? Check out all the pictures of this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.